What is up, guys? Today we are here with another unboxing. Today it is the Elgato Stream Deck. So this thing's awesome because it has 15 programmable buttons, each with their own LCD screen. So you're able to go in here and identify a button, tell the system what that button does, and then assign a picture to it so that you, at a glance, could know exactly what your button is going to do. I also found out it's good for editors. It's good for any kind of command prompt, coded commands, anything like that you can program into these buttons and take advantage of the Stream Deck. Without further ado, what do you say we jump into this guy? All right. Okay, and there it is. There's the Stream Deck. I just lost some of the reading material. There it is, pretty cool. There you can see the 15 individual buttons. They're not illuminated right now because obviously it's not plugged in. But when we go to plug this guy in, you will be able to see each button with their assigned pictures for the LCD screens, things like that. Here we have the Stream Deck plugged in. And here you can see the same layout as the physical board. There is so many possibilities of things that you can do with the Stream Deck. Here you have your layout of the buttons on the Stream Deck. Over here on the right hand side are all the different tools and plugins that you can lay down on each button. Finally, down here we have the preferences or settings to change based on the button. You click on a button and those settings can be adjusted down here. Let's go over here to the Twitch section. There's a chat message. I dragged and dropped that onto here. I've connected my Twitch account, and then here's the message that is predefined. So when I hit that button, that will be sent out to my Twitch chat. There's what's called a soundboard. So in here I have different little sound files that I can play. For example, so there's our hip hop sound, hip hop horn, pretty iconic. All of these buttons here launch programs. So this will, if we go down here to system, you can click on website, drag it out, determine the website, and by pushing that button, it will launch that website. Down here, I have my Premiere button. I push that. Clicking here will launch Premiere, and then within this, I have different tools and quick buttons to push that will do different commands and use different tools within Premiere. Right here, the open, this is where it gets really powerful. If you're a coder and you have some scripts that you've coded out, you can save those as .exe files or whatever else, XML or whatever. Have at the touch of a button open up and launch that script. So many possibilities with the Stream Deck. It's not just for those who are live streaming their video games or whatnot, but this thing could actually even be a literal switcher for live events. It could be a tool for you to quickly maximize your time in an edit. This thing is just a very handy tool. Super impressed with it. I'm excited. If you guys want to check out me using this deck through my stream, you can check me out on twitch.tv/GurnPJ, mixer.com/GurnPJ, or gaming.youtube.com/GurnProductions. So any of those three, feel free. I'll have those links down in the description. Guys, it's been fun. I'm Gurn. We'll see you guys in the next one.